Hello everyone, this is a video on how to replace the door hinges on the Falcon door in a Tesla Model X 2016 to 2020 before the refresh. And to do the hinges, you have to unbolt the 3 nuts on each one. This is one, there's another one right there, they're 13 millimeters, and this is the hardest one, it's behind this torsion spring. But this one, you have to take off the centerpiece, pop it out carefully. There's glue on here that you have to redo the glue. Pop it out, and then you're gonna find the torsion screw right here. And then you're gonna have to take off the torsion screw with the Torx. Undo these. There's 2 more you can use. Fold this plate, fold it up, take off the torsion screw, and then you have access to the last 13 millimeter bolt right here. This one, you're gonna undo it, and then you're gonna replace the hinges. If these are bent or broken, or for some reason, whatever reason these are the hinges for the Falcon door, the rear drivers. This one is the same as the other side, but they kind of interchange. And then this is the other one. It's the same thing. You have to do with a torsion screw. Behind, there's a nut, a bolt right there, and there's 3 as well. 1, there's 2, and this one behind right here. And then you have to the ceiling, you have to gain access to it. Just pop it down. We have to start with the back. You have to start by prying the very back, taking a few torques, and this ceiling is gonna come off slowly down like this. You have to use torques and some nuts, and then this one is gonna come down so you can gain access to that. And then you can change these hinges after taking off these covers. So the top mounting bolt, there's two more 13 millimeter bolts right here, and 2 more right here. So that way you can replace these if they're damaged. It's a pretty intermediate repair. This is the way you do it. You have to pop, the key is to pop this. You cannot do it from the under, because this one is on the buoy, and then there's no way for the torsion spring to move. You have to pop it up. Just watch out with the clips, because I broke one right here, but I had to glue it back and then use some windshield. This one also kind of broke. I'm gonna have to use some windshield silicone to fix all this, so I can put this back on. And then I'm gonna put the cover right now right here, because I already finished my repair. Put everything on here, get it up, and then before I put the door in, you can glue it out together and put some heavy things on top so it can stay down while it dries. That's it. Please like. There's no video like this. This you can get on eBay for relatively cheap, $100 the pair. That way you can replace the hinges on the rear Falcon door and get your door back and running. Thank you. Appreciate it. Please thumbs up.